we're going to take this brush out and I want to break up the starch. I want it dry and fluffy. Dry and fluffy is what you're after so that we can really do this correctly. If you've used it already, you could do a little acetone if you want to. Just make sure it's dry and fluffy. I'm going to lay down the second color just at the very top here. Now you have to pull flat to the nail or you're going to wipe it off, and super light touch. As you pull down, you'll see it blend a little bit. Don't panic if it's not perfect and cure that. Second time, I'm going to pull it a little further down and take that brush. I dry wiped it in between, and I'm going to gently pull and blend that. And then I'm going to go ahead and cure this. The key here is using a very sheer layer. I like to call it a blending layer. It's a gel that's within the same family of colors, and I put it on, then I kind of go through and wipe off the excess. I don't want it to mute out my ombre. I just want it to help blend it. A little bit of top coat, make sure our surface is even, and that is a really cool way to use the Luxa Oval XL brush when you are going for a colored ombre.